Just going to unbox this and show you guys this Echo PB-2520 gas leaf blower that I picked up from Home Depot. This is the actual unboxing and assembly, and then I'm going to show you how to start it and how it runs and all that. This leaf blower takes a 50-to-1 gas and oil mixture. I bought one of these pre-mixed cans, but it also comes with a little oil mixer you can mix with your own gas as well. And this here is the choke. So in the up position, the choke is on. In the down position, that is the run position. So here I'm just pressing the primer bulb until it becomes firm. So make sure the choke is pushed up. This little lever on the side, this is the throttle lever. You want to put that in the 12 o'clock position and push that switch all the way forward. And then just pull it until it starts. Prior to buying this, I saw some reviews that said this tube blows off during use. I figured it was because of improper installation, but it happened to me too. I gave it a twist, and it didn't blow off for quite a while. Couple of things I want to mention before I wrap this up. The tube did continue to blow off, so I drilled 2 little holes, one on each side, put 2 small screws in, and that solved the issue. Now, I don't feel that I should have had to modify anything on a brand new product, but for 150 bucks, not too bad. And one other thing, you need to let this thing warm up a little bit for at least a couple minutes before it reaches its maximum blowing power. And once it does, I think you'll be happy with the product, as am I. Thank you for watching.